How to fix live wallpaper not supported on TikTok. In this quick video, I'll show you how to fix the live wallpaper not supported error on TikTok, so let's jump right into it. First things first, make sure your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. After you've checked that, let's get started. Now, simply open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, simply go to your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the three horizontal bars and simply go to settings and privacy. Now here, what you need to do is scroll down a little bit until you find an option called report a problem. Simply tap on it and here simply go to the live option. If you can simply find your problem in over here, you can simply tap on that, but if you do not find it, scroll down more and simply tap on chat with us, and here you can simply report your problem, whatever you're facing about. Simply send them a message and they'll be able to get back to you within 24 hours. And that's it. That's how you can simply fix live wallpaper not supported on TikTok.